What's up, guys? Hey, I want to tell you a little story about this house right here and what happened with the insurance company. Let's get started. Okay, here we are. We are actually in the city of Schertz, Texas, near San Antonio, and I have a customer here that has a great house, great property. She got hit with hail damage in the year of 2016, and then she also got hail damage in 2019. So here we are, it's 2021. She's selling her home, and also she called the insurance and said, hey, let me see if I can call the insurance because I know I have damage and they can pay for my roof replacement. So I was here with the adjuster during the adjuster meeting, and soon as I pulled up and he was here, or as soon as he pulled up, I was here already, and I had a ladder set up, and he told me, hey Paul, well, he didn't call me by my name, but he said, hey, just want to let you know that our appointment was at 11 o'clock, not at 10:30. And I said, oh, okay, that's cool. I get here a little bit early. I set up my ladder for you. If you need any assistance, I'm here to help. So as soon as that happened, he parked. 11 o'clock, he started. He said, hey, come on over here. Let me tell you what I have. We jumped in his van. He's got an old office in there. And what happened was he said, Paul, the last hailstorm was in 2019 that happened in this area. I gotta pause this for 1 second because I have a car coming through. Hold on. Okay, sorry for the technical difficulties. We had a vehicle here. Another neighbor was coming through, and I had to move his truck. So let's get back to the story. 2019 was the last hailstorm that hit. Right now we're in March of 2021. So the insurance adjuster came out. He told me before he even jumped on the roof and said, hey Paul, let me tell you what's going on here. Now he knows my name because I give him my card. He said, this house, regardless if I find any kind of damage for hail, will not get paid by the insurance. Right off the bat, that's what he told me. He said the policy that this homeowner has is going to give them 1 year. So after that 1 year mark, we're not paying for it. I was like, wow, really? That's those are the rules they have in place. So it's very, very important. If you have a storm in your area, you have limits, you have time limits. It could be 1 year, could be 2 years. I've seen it go as far as 3 or 4 years, right? But this particular homeowner had 1 year. She passed the 1 year mark, and now she's got an amazing roof, amazing system. She's selling the house, but she has to pay out of pocket, and that sucks. So it's just a quick story. Want to give you guys a little bit of information on how insurance works and how they'll give you 1 year. At least this company did. I'll drop it in the links, or I'll drop it in the comments what company she had. Get your roof inspected. Get it replaced. It's worth it. All you have to pay your deductible. This house, she's having to pay full price. It's still worth it. She's getting an amazing roof. But let's try to get the insurance to pay for it if you have insurance. All right, guys. Hope you guys learned a little something. If you'd like to buy me a coffee, I'll drop that in the link as well. Hope you learned something. We'll see you soon.